Hello students, I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I will give you some tips and some ideas how to do a project. I hope you'll understand it, enjoy it. Here are some ideas how to do a project. There are some steps that everybody needs to follow when we want to do a project, of course. First, when we plan our work, there are 3 questions to ask ourselves. First is, what does done look like? So that means, how do you see the result? What result do you want? Then, what steps do I need to do to gain the result, of course? And the third one is, what materials will I need? So what do I need to get ready to do the project? So you have questions. Done, do, and get ready. After planning is complete, tasks begin with initiating each phase in the opposite order. So here, as you can see, the first one is done, the second one is do, and the third one is get ready. So when you start doing it, then of course it goes from the opposite of the questions. Here, I put you a result, which is pizza, and probably you all like it. You want this to be done. So this is how it looks like. So then, what steps do I need to do? And what materials will I need to get this done? Here, for pizza, I took pizza as an example, but this is about all the projects that you want to do. So, to do, we need to gather the ingredients. We need to preheat oven to 425 Fahrenheit. We need to roll out dough in a flat circle. We need to spread on sauce. We need to sprinkle with cheese, lay on pepperoni or whatever you would like to put on it. We do place pizza on a pan, cook in oven for 20 minutes. So this is what we need to do to get this done. Then we should consider, what materials will I need to do these? So here you need the materials: oven, dough, rolling pan, spoon, sauce, cheese, pepperoni, pan, and pot holders. So as you can see, this is kind of a project. It's pizza, but of course for every other project you'll need to do to get considered these things. So if we take a project at school, for example, or a project in general, so to see the result, as we said in the beginning, so we want this result. Here is a project about who Civil War generals. It's an example. So you want it to look like this. What do we need to do? We need to gather materials. We need to research using 3 sites, 2 books, 1 person. You need to find 10 facts about it. You need to find effect on econ. You need type the info. You need to map neatly and be creative about it. You need to print 5 photos to attach them. And you need to practice and present it, of course. So what materials do you need? You need a computer. You need library books. You need, here is an example, Uncle Tom, but of course you have, for example, your dad or your professor or someone else. You need a printer to print paper. You need construction paper. You need glue, scissors, and 3-fold board. So this is actually how you should consider doing a project. If you take all of these in consideration and you get everything ready and have the materials that you need, then of course you'll have the result that you wanted. Okay, for homework, because in previous video we talked about how do children in the UK spend their free time, or what do they do as free time activities. So I would like you to do a project on how do children in your country spend their free time. So consider the project as I gave you the ideas in this video. Okay, I hope you got some ideas how to do a project. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.